Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a purchase return ledger in Tally Prime. First, understand that this ledger tracks goods returned to suppliers. To begin, open Tally Prime and go to the chart of accounts. From there, select Ledgers and then choose the Create option. This is the initial step to setting up your ledger correctly. Now, let's define the ledger details. Give your ledger a clear name, such as Purchase Returns Account. It is crucial to select Purchase Accounts from the list of groups. This grouping ensures that all purchase return transactions are accurately reflected in your financial statements and other reports. Next, we address inventory values. For Purchase Return Ledger, set inventory values are affected to know. This is because the inventory has already been reduced when the original purchase was recorded. Also, select Not Applicable for the type of ledger. Confirm these two settings carefully before moving on. Finally, save your newly configured purchase return ledger. Once saved, you can use this ledger when creating debit notes for goods returned to your suppliers. This ensures that all purchase return transactions are accurately recorded and reflected in your books, providing a clear and accurate financial picture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.